What's up, my fellow MMA super fans? My name is Nisi Casiano at mainit pa mula sa kanyang pagkapanalo 23 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, he's back. The Thunder Kid is back. Ladies and gentlemen, Lito Adiwang. Lito, first of all,
Thank you.
congratulations. Ang tanong na lahat, pinawisan ka ba?
Oo naman, sobrang pinawisan ako sa warm-up kasi ninervyos din ako.
How does it feel na, of course, syempre, ring ngayon circle. Pero how does it feel to be back? How does it feel to be back in action? Ano yung feeling na nandun ka? Plus, you got the victory you wanted. And
Mm.
you earned it emphatically. Kamusta?
So, ayan, super mixed emotion ako entering this fight. Pero ngayon, I'm very super, super happy. Hindi happier than happy. Kasi, ayan, yun nga, very blessed ako na sa Lumpini naganap. And
Mm.
then, I was the first to open the fight. And gusto ko yun. You know me that I hate being the last. I love to be the first to start the show. So, ayun, na pagbigyan tayo to open the show in a very legendary place and to get a very spectacular comeback. I'm very happy now. Pero before before going to the fight, super, eto ang aminin ko, this is the most nervous fight that I've entered kasi maraming pressure. Alam natin
Mm.
nangyari, I got crazy 2 loss in a row and ayaw kong magagsagan yun. Super pressured ako na baka, meron yung baka. So, super pinag-anuhan ko na lang, I just really need to think positive, believe in myself na just pull the trigger, then do my best there. So at least happy ako na nagawa ko.
Ito galing tong tanong na to mula sa kaibigan natin na si Randolph Yongson. Ito tanong niya do you think this performance finally puts a nail in the coffin dun sa mga doubters mo regarding your injury, regarding, of course, your decision to leave your comfort zone? Let's put it that way. Do you think this is the justification that you needed na, look at me guys, there's life after yung kung ano man yung na-establish mo noon?
Yes, it's a very big statement that yun nga, leaving your comfort zone, making a big sacrifice, it's gonna be worth it in the end. So eto, napakita natin and na-prove natin na I did my part. Mahirap man, mahirap physically, emotionally, mentally, mahirap pero I did it and I think I really believe I showed the result.
Ngayon, Lito, regarding that fight, I mean, regarding our past interview, sinasabi mong iba pa rin yung original. Iba pa rin yung original na tuhod. Iba na yung version 2 ng tuhod mo. Ngayon ba, masasabi mo pa rin ba o na yun pa rin, iba pa rin yung original o masasabi mong good job my second knee?
Sa akin, oo, masasabi natin ngayon, good job my second knee. Kasi at least na nandun yung confident. Leading to the fight, ayun, nasabi ko on my past interviews na ayaw kong magiging dakilan na to have a loss because of injury again na maraming haka-haka na naman na, oh, hindi. You know the negative side once you lost in injury. So for me, ayaw kong mangyari yun. Kung matalo ako via submission, via KO, in a legal way. Ayaw kong matalo via injury or ano. I want to be finished in at least honorable way. So at least ngayon na I really believe na I entered 100% totally recovered. So yan.
Dito, itong tanong natin mula sa isa pa naming isa pa nating kaibigan na si Christian Jacinto. Yung tendencies ba ni Adrian Matisse, talagang inantabayanan mo yan from the start, right off the bat? Kasi napansin namin parang kanina mo pa minamataan yung tendencies niya, lalo going to the right.
Oo, talagang alam ko Yun yung I really need to labanan yun sa isip ko na yun nga, malakas yung right hand niya, pero yun ang rule ko dati na binalik ko na I dati kasi is I got this saying na I'll make your strength be doon ka mapapahamak. And yun yung ginawa ko ngayon kasi I know that kung bibigyan ko siya, pasukan ko siya ng mas magandang angulo or straight kasi yung mga power shots niya is overhand.
Oo.
So I've been drilling this yung mga coaches ko, yung mga pad holders ko. Isa lang, baka yun nga, kung minsan hindi nila maintindihan or ano na marami tayong moves pero sa akin alam ko I visualize his moves, nakita ko yung kung paano sumuntok and that's his only weapon na pwede kong gamitin against sa kanya. So I've been working on that.
Ito dito naman mula sa isa pa nating kaibigan na si John Walcott. His question is, did you expect a better version of Adrian Matisse, or was it just a culmination of yung hard work mo sa training na talagang sobrang pinag-aralan mo si Adrian Matisse kaya mo na execute yung 23-second TKO na kahit ako hindi ko in-expect na gano'ng kabilis?
I think hard work pays off. Hard work and belief. Kasi yun, may doubt ako nung una na I've been training to his home ground and you know, boom, people talk na they'll get KO'd kasi yun yung bread and butter niya. Pero para sa akin, hindi. I really I need to believe in myself na nakalimutan nyo yata na we're still here and I think this is my weapon also. And when I went to Phuket, handaan ko talaga yung boxing ko. I sharpen my boxing there. So, I really believe na yung style niya is mas sharper ako when it comes to boxing with him. So, yun, doon ko nakuha yung confident ko na sige, if we go toe to toe 100% na just boxing, I really saw that opportunity na I can knock him out via that punch, countering his overhand by just sharp straight.
Dito, magkasama tayo sa hotel after the fight nung March 2022. Nakasaklay ka. We're figuring it out kung MCL or ACL. Looking back, ngayon nakuha mo yung panalo. Ano yung masasabi mong all throughout that journey na talagang naging factor para sa pagbabalik mong to? Ano yung gusto mong balikan? Ano yung gusto mong sariwain na what led you to this moment?
I think, ayan, what lead me to this moment is the challenges na pagdaanan ko. Yun nga, natalo tayo. And it hurts me so much nung natalo ako kasi doble ang impact. Natalo ako na I believe I can beat that opponent na kalaban ko. And natalo ako na pilay ako. That I needed to do surgery, I needed to do operation, a rehab and everything. So lahat na natalo. TF of course, dali na rin tayo. So lahat parang wow. So yun yung talagang nakapag-boost pa sa akin na sana hindi na yun mangyayari and once yun talagang pinush niya ako na once mag-comeback ako dapat walang rason na matalo tayo. So yun.
Dito, gusto ko rin tanungin, ano ang nakuha mong suporta mula sa Hit Studio Bali? Kasi, alam mo yan, dito madali. Kahit sila, sumugal din sila sa'yo. At dinala mo yung pangalan ng gym na to sa laban na ito. Kamusta? Kamusta after that fight, pagbaba mo ng ring, magkakasama kayo ngayon sa hotel room? Ano
Mm.
yung ano yung, pwede mo ba sa amin mababahagi yung saya din na nararamdaman nila?
Of course, they're very happy and proud. Proud sila na yun, got the job well done. And yun, isa rin yun why I stick on them. Kasi,
Mm.
yeah, with Paddy, yung owner ng Hit Studio, he flew when I was training in Thailand. He flew all the way to Phuket to talk to me and convince me
Mm.
that Bali is better. Na mag-training ako doon. He'll take care of the rest. Kukuha kami ng mga instructors na kailangan ko.
Mm.
And he really believes na, and he sees me as a champion, na magiging
Mm.
champion ako. So, parang of all the gym na tumawag sa akin, yun yung hindi ko, that, yun yung area kung bakit sa It Studio ako
Mm.
pumunta. I need a team that's believe in me at
Mm.
makikita, hindi, walang uh, walang, kung nakikita na nilang nagsa-success ka,
Mm.
wala yung,
Inggit.
you call it, iyan, tama. Sorry.
Gusto mo pa talaga
Walang inggit.
manggaling sa akin eh.
Wala yun. So, yun yung parang nakita kong, okay, I think, I'm in this team kasi yun nga, full support, and then yung vision nila na yung mararating natin once we do the right things and sacrifice. Yeah.
Dito, ang tanong na lahat, 23 seconds eh. Ano ba yan?
Mm.
Parang hindi ka nahirapan eh. Gusto mo bang bumalik action agad? Sino yung gusto mong makalaban? Well, it's a big card. Don't get me wrong. Pero, we cannot deny that it's a Friday Fights card. Ano ba? Gusto mo ba next time on Prime Video? Gusto mo ba sa next fight mo dun sa first ever event ng Qatar? Ano yung plano mo? Ano yung tumatakbo sa utak mo ngayon? Ano yung projection na nakikita mo sa isang Thunder Kid who made an emphatic comeback at one Friday Fights 34?
Yun. So, para sa akin, I really want na kagaya nito. Big event. One Friday fight nga, pero this is the biggest card. So, doon ako nai-excite. Yun yung mga card na gusto ko. And especially, I'm the one who's going to open the fight.
Mm.
So, I love that. I love that. And yun yung next target ko. Of course, sana, and hoping and asking the boss na Qatar. I really love to fight in Qatar. Kung hindi man doon, I've been dreaming to fight in US. I believe marami akong fans and supporters sa US.
Mm.
Maraming Pinoy doon that yun, mapapasaya ko and mai-entertain natin once mapalaban ako doon. So yun yung talagang target ko ngayon, to fight in the big cards, and I'm targeting opponent also, preparation na rin para sa champion natin si Brooks. I'm really looking forward to challenge Gustavo Ballard kasi ang tagal ko nang visualize na
Ah.
makakalaban siya, and I really like that matchup kasi of course wrestler siya, and then he got wild striking, so may improve pa yung wrestling ko kasi magtutuon kami doon. How can I defend? How can I counter? So it's another level up on my game.
Mm. So, Lito, bibigyan lang kita ng ng parang quick fire questions. Yes or no lang,
Mm.
hindi. Kung gusto mong makalaban, let's look at the top 5 of the strawweight division. Unahin ko na muna. Of course, makakalaban to ni Joshua Passion on October 7 at One Fight Night 15. Mansur Malakayev.
Let's go. Yes,
Siyempre, Gustavo Ballard.
definitely yes.
Hiroba Minowa, rematch.
Yes, I want that rematch too.
Bokang Masunaine.
Yes, let's go.
Of course,
Same, same.
syempre, ito ang hinaabangan ng lahat. Let's put a nail in the coffin. Joshua Pasio.
Let's see. Once Ah, sa ngayon hindi natin, that's my brother but we'll see. Kung I'll answer that once the opportunity is there. I've always, get asked this question, so ayokong, I don't want to
Never say
make any.
never.
Yep. But
Never.
once the opportunity is there, or I don't want to make any drama and
Mm.
everything, para sa akin, we'll cross the bridge once we're there.
Okay, that's a great question. Ngayon, Lito, marami nagtatanong, it's an emphatic victory. But, nag-expect ka ba na something special like a bonus? Wala.
I'm really praying, and isa yun sa panalangin ko na once I get, yun, I believe na once I give a good, comeback fight and spectacular finish, definitely, nandun na yun. Pero it's in the hands of the boss. So, but I'm really hoping that we'll get a bonus because I really need that too.
All right, Lito. Alam ko naman you want to savor this victory. But before we let you go, bibigay ko sa iyo yung platform. Pasalamatan mo na lahat ng sumuporta sa iyo in this 18-month journey of yours. Bibigay ko na sa
So,
iyo, Lito.
dito ko na pasasalamatan lahat ng supporters natin kasi I visualize na papasalamatan ko sila inside the ring, pero hindi nangyari, wala tayong interview inside the ring. So I want to say thank you for a couple of supporters natin. Kay Kong Yap, thank you for the support. And then to the Patings, Pating Golf Court, golf team, and kay Kuya Ian sa Smoink, and sa team ko ngayon, ang Heat Studio na sa Bali. So thank you very much for the support, and yan, the firm sports bar sa Bali rin for supporting me, and NGS also, their business NJS, and yeah, everyone, sa mga fans natin and supporters, and yan, lalo na sa mga taong who really made an effort to sit down and whisper a prayer for me from the bottom of my heart. Yun ang pinaka ultimate na kinailangan ko. So thank you very much sa mga nag-pray sa akin. And of course, yan, to the Almighty, siyang importante dito. Thank you for the Lord kasi yan, nanalo tayo. Thank you for giving me the strength and wisdom to get this victory.
Maiwan na kita, Lito. It's time for you to celebrate. Anyway, Lito, we wish you nothing but the best. And again, congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you. See you soon.
That's it for all of us here on the MMA Superfan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell to stay up to date here on the MMA Superfan. Again, I'm Nisi Casiano with the winner. 23 seconds. Well, Lito Adiwang. Again, till next time.